Today, we're going to fire the Type R. We're going to fire it down there. We're going to fire at that first line. We're going to see how far we go. I doubt I'm going to hit 10 lines today. 10 lines, each line is 20 feet. Because of the wind, I doubt it. However, not joking, it is possible to hit 200 feet with this thing. So far, I've only hit just under 190. But the blaster's mechanics, its long shot plunger tube and its 4 springs are broken in, along with the seal that's in here. The coupler is also a lot more broken in and is a lot tighter than it was. The muzzle brake finding the correct position right at the end of the muzzle, letting out the excess gases right on the side. And of course, that's a hex muzzle brake. The sights are calibrated up here to coincide with these perfectly down the front. So they may have to put a narrower there just to make it a little more accurate. But the thing's a tack driver. It's quite beautiful. So let's put this down somewhere and let's begin, shall we? That should cut down the wind noise as well. I did make the coupler kind of tight, and it had so much recoil that the darts actually bounce off the carrier. But let's check this out. This is our first line right here, right to the back. The second one to the last. Let's go. And right now we got 20, 40, and then we have 60 past the flags over here. Okay. We got 80. We got 100. We got 120. We got 140. And nice single dart is under 150. All of them over. Every single one. Okay? So at 150, we got this Elite Foam Xplorer. By the way, I like the Xplorer foam better. We got this next one that drifted over here because it's so windy. Just below 160 here. Now at 160, Actually, not even 160. We're at 170 now. Our next two. These actually kind of spiraled a little because of the wind. We got this one at about 171. We got this one about 172. And put in mind, where I started is all the way back there, okay? Now we're crossing 180. Then we got 100 and about 188 feet. There's the first, there's that one. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's my, oh, holy shit! 200. Oh my God, I did it. I'll look at the video, but oh my God, there it is. I finally did it, guys. 200 feet with a Springer. Oh my God. Ah! Can't believe this. I hope this comes out right. Shit. Okay. You can see all the way to that back curb, not the handrail. The handrail's another 20 feet back. It's right there. Oh, where did I put my tape? Oh shit, man. I never thought I would ever reach that. I thought this thing was gonna do 180s, 170s, and a lot better. But a long shot tube in a night finder type blaster. Shit. Well, it's not just a night finder type blaster. The grip on the back is geometrically arched, so I could take a higher load. The catch is much better, and not only that, but it retrofits with a long shot plunger really well. Because all you gotta do is grind these two sides out, notch it right here, and pretty much you can fit that with a coupler. It's a thing of beauty, guys. $110 my ass. No offense, David. I love you and all, but really. See you later.